Hello everyone. Now in lecture 4 we are going to introduce you why C language is known as mid and middle level language. Why it's so important. As we know that low level language provide better efficiency with machine and high level language. But in high level language provide better efficiency for user. Low level language provide only better efficiency with machine, but in high level language provide the better efficiency for user, so we can easily develop application software in it. High level gives you the way combination of only two English and coding logic, but in machine level language we have only provide you the machine conversation too, but C provides better efficiency for machine and user both. That's why it is known as mid and middle level language. C has the capacity to provide the efficiency of machine and user. That is the main key goals. Why C is the known as mid and middle level language. Now let us consider the language processor. The first assembler, second is interpreter, and third is compiler. Assembler: this language processor converts the program written in assembly language into machine level. Assembler has only one work: it converts the program written in assembly level language into machine level. But interpreter has the process this is the process convert high level language program into machine level. Assembler convert assembly level language into machine level language, but interpreter convert the machine level language by converting and executing it line by line. The interpreter have convert the high level program into machine level language by converting and executing it line by line. Suppose you write any program, interpreted read line by line and then convert it. But in assembler, it directly convert program into assembly level language into machine level language. Compiler, it is also convert the HLL program into machine level language, but the conversion method is different. Compiler have different conversion method. It convert the entire HL program into one and report all the along with the line number. Suppose that you write any program, add two number, and all the write and to run this program. You want to run this program, you run it. What it done, compiler done read all the program and then finally got the answer. But interpreted read line by line and then convert it, then our program will be run. That is the difference between interpreter and compiler. Interpreter run the converting the program by and executing then it by line, but compiler converted the program in one go and repeat all the along with the line number. Now let us consider what do you mean by C? What is C? What is C? The C language developed for creating system application that is directly interact with hardware device such as driver and kernels. C language is developed for creating system application. That is the main goals of C. That directly interact with the hardware device. C language has capacity that directly interact with the hardware device such as drivers and kernel. C programming is considered as the base for the other programming. C programming is considered as the base for other programming. That is why it is known as mother language. C has capacity that why we say that C is the basic language in any types of language. Java, C++, Python, and C is the mother tongue. It is the known as also known as there are five reasons why we call C is the best language. The first reason is C is known as mother language. The second reason is C is a system programming language. And third is C is known as procedure oriented programming language. C. And fourth is a structured programming language. And the fifth is a mid-level programming. C++ is the extension of C. If you first we learn C, then we have easily learn C++. Only syntax is different, but all the capacity keywords and all types of the information will be same. And then after Java, only in any programming language only syntax is different, but work done by any are same like what assembler do, interpreter do, compiler do, all the languages have same concept. That why we first know study the basic language of C. Why C is important. The first reason why C is known as mother language is that C language is considered as the mother language of all the modern programming language because most of the compiler, GBMS, kernels, etc. are written in C language, and most of the programming language follows C syntax. For example, C++, Java, etc. In the last, I said that the C language are the basics of any language. C++, Java. Syntax are same, the programming language C is same. So that why C is known as mother language. If you understand the basic concept of C, you can easily learn any language by understanding this language. It provides a core concept like array, string, function, file handling, etc. that are being used in many languages, that is C++. C++ and Java, Python, in any language, the same concept, array coming, string coming, function coming, file handling coming, all the concepts are repeated again. Only 2 and 3 points are add-ons. Just C++, class and object inheritance are coming up. Java, there is new JavaScript, is these types of new words are coming. The second point is C as system programming. A system programming language used to create software. C language is a system programming language because it can be do low level programming. For example, driver and kernel. Because C is a system programming language due to its that property. It can be used low level programming for driver and kernel. It is generally used to create hardware device, operating device, kernel, etc. For example, Linux kernel is written in C. That why C is known as the system programming language. Due to its low-level interaction between machine, low-level programming language, it is easily communicate with the machine. That is known as it is the system programming language. It can't be used in internet programming like Java, Net, PHP. That is the disadvantage of C language. There are so many advantages, disadvantages in C language, but before learning any types of programming language, first we understand the basic concept of C. Then you shift on any other. It provides you better understanding between the machine language or user. This is the basic concept. And third is the C is a procedure language. Why we why we can say that C is a procedure language? That why the reason behind it, a procedure is known as function, method, routine, subroutine, etc. A procedure language specifies a series of steps for the program to solve the problem. A procedure language breaks the program into the function, data structure, etc. C is a procedure language. In C, variable function prototype must be declared before using. मतलब C is known as a procedure language. The reason behind it is in C, variable function prototype must declare before using it. That is known as C is a procedure programming language. The fourth reason is C is a structured programming language. A structured programming language is a subset of procedure language. Structure means to break a program into parts and blocks so it may easy to understand. Suppose that you write any program. The program is very long it is, but C give you a facility. You can point first block, second block, third, you can break a program into a small parts on block and easily to understand. The C provide you a facility. In C language, we break the program into parts using function. In C language, you usually can break the program into parts. It makes the use easier to understand and modify. C give you a facility to easier to understand any program. Suppose in first lecture we have make a program in print hello world. You can easily see that in Turbo C we can run a program hello world. That is the easy to interpret the program and parts blocks. The fifth reasoning why is known as C as a mid and middle level language is first. C is considered as a mid and middle level language because it supports the feature of both low level and high level language. Sieve give you facilities to better conversation between low level language and high level language. That is the main facility, provided a better concept of low and high level language. That is known as C is a mid and middle programming language. C language programs is converted into assembly code. It support pointer arithmetic low level but it machine dependent feature of high level programming. That why there are the five reasons why C is known as the better for before learning any programming. The first reason we can say that C is the mother language. C is known as the mother language. C is a system programming language. C is a procedure language. C as a structured programming language, and C is a middle language. The next lecture we are discussing about the program development life cycle, how any program will be run. There are six steps to follow to making any program.